What diabetes na kunu. Ni nani nyina ya bomodin sa me and my sister Fati. Any Karim ya. Me a firstborn. Okay. Me a firstborn yeah 9 but 6 is dead. Aka 3. My boy position ni bibi am so nko so ye but I'm trying to look in my mother. Me I have 11 became 3 wife and 1 dolly. Me are they watching him. Oh, I'm tired. You understand? But I say my mother is dead. It be money matter. You I make hard. Your mama is my great father. Everybody know the day. Or if my mother they die, your mama will bury him. Everybody know that mama is my father. If my mother die, mama will stand to bury my mother for me. You understand me? Yeah. Kempo, why you know Kempo? Kempo they no. I just said they there. They there. People are plenty. You know that Accra Mayor, Honorable Soa, is my friend. Doesn't mean no be politics, but it's my friend. 72 Nenima, about to know Boami Kakra. The beer I go use for a year in powers, about to know a pupuni na or me person beba because he's a drinking master for the nation. You are good boss. I'll give you advice to stop drinking. Everywhere powers they go to Funwa, Ojemo, outdooring, anywhere. Powers wabubu sani na no or sa.
Abusiafo yema obibia akwaba ede eba too much GHSO said ye mamonim no gano wahala dwumadie ena ebre asose munuaba ekwesika pa mede ebesomo na abusiafo na wotwi ya emu ena chese yenya ntie ede efa yenya ya boxer ba ko epe ye bukom banko awagidin ewo wiase afa na nyina se ne mame adane benkum eso amecha chese wato nananom ewo ense edo na enum no ensensem bebre ena epie ede efri abana mene wo ekase ede ya baba bepie mo ewo na kache wono ankasa ni place achese bebia obia enim no efa ne ne betwetwe nkomo ede afa ensem no ho ne ehunu anamonto a wo mo etu ede afa ho ne da ya o mbepa wo maame no achi krabia na ne nyina no ye de ababa sumisanso munim se too much GHD yetu emra ne akere eye esi enti kam hwan na ye ne ye papa ye nuaba ma enkotwetwe eye enkomo.
Fine, my sister.
Bibi abokodi.
Bibi are fine.
Na yete video circulate ye e branch se for radio station so na uchi mu se ampa wo mame afri mu na ye pese ye hunu se e ba ne sen na nsem no ekoyete sa wa yare oyare for how many years?
Oh, me mama dey oyare almost 25 years. On one day but they born me in Accra. They born in Accra, but offering Ukugwa.
Eastern region.
Confanochi on no free, yes. But I was here, somebody they call me that my mother in the hospital. One of my sister, they call me that me mama yari on the Noaba hospital. Hospital. Now I send her money to go there. On the Russian go, they tell the hospital to go Conforidwa. Say the drip ama ascendance na channel na me say me mami ewo in the 20th na me mami ewo it's a Thursday na from me say me mami ewo
na bukombanko ye pese ye hu no o mami no yare ben ebi betimi aka say be ye BP na ekun no anase ye coronavirus ana ye yare ben na o yare sugar yare no
and
not just diabetes.
Yes or be more than 20 years or diabetes na kunu ni nani nyina ya bomodin sa me and my sister Fati any Karim ya bomodin sa baby what things are God is writing what is God is writing Sisia wako
na ya o maame ne ma mo ye dodo esen otoso sen we de na wudi kan ana say wo na we last one
me a firstborn. Okay. Me a firstborn yeah 9 but 6 is dead. Aka 3. Okay. Sisia we are 3 me and Fati and Karim.
Enti 3 ni mu no na ye penny.
Me na me ye penny. Okay. Me na me ye penny. Me na me ye great super. O sisia bibia odamisu. Yes, bibia odamisu.
Okay. Na ono wo mame ayonko fa na etisen obi wo ho no obeka so me mame de apart from say me send this camera na no anu me ni twaka bia na what our friend no na woni like my yonko fa na etisen.
Oh, me mame de some And first of all, me, I'm go there to visit him, but the road is long. It's far. The road is far, but the phone they be frame. But Misika, the me the obiani mi wo our village. Me say Ugugwa say me na mission. Ti say baby na ye no kra abugo mo go to me jani mami. But my sister no oye mistake kakra si. Onu no oye oba say ya one month on ko ni mami no see ni ama but ya jani ama family no. Na family no so amusho no 5 years. Almost bre. Ona bre. Omu kasa. I was here the negative about there, but I'm not okay because they are my family. I'm more that mistake no dey me worry my sister Fati. Hey woman me una we oba me be ma me dey scan me to me see me mama niama. Una wo be se una because we oba. What you one month I will be call abasla mommy. First of all me na me call but say there wow my boy position ni bibia so nko so ye but I'm trying to look in my mother. Me I have 11 became 3 wife and 1 jolly. Me are they watching him. Oh, I'm tired. You understand? But I say my mother is dead. It be money matter. You I make hard. I make hard. My man all this way. But nyami wo.
Eno de no kwen. Said ya wo kasa wo so abo opposition. Ye nyane nti ye te say wo chema na say wa wo papa former president John Dramani Mahama o de yi tu nanim say wonto golden coffin emfa ema wo mame. Wo na wo busa anas wo no ne ka say wo de be ma wo.
No kasa me na me can't share Ghana force here. John Mama is my great father. Everybody know that they share. Or if my mother they die, John Mama will bury him. Everybody knows that Mama is my father. If my mother die, Mama will stand to bury my mother for me. I have the people.
Na so ka say bia onye and I say wan fa sam wan amwa will you feel so disappointed?
Oh, Debbie. If he can't do that. Dabi, he can't do that. Me, I was sitting here. I know the big mess in the country.
Okay.
I know Kempo. Kempo also there. You understand me? Yeah. Kempo, why you know Kempo? Yeah. Kempo there. No, I just said they there. Otin Thomas they there. People, I know people are plenty. You know that Accra Mayor, Honorable Soa, is my friend. Doesn't mean no be politics, but it's my friend. 72 Nenima, but to me Abuami Kakra. I have the big mess in the country. You bury my mother. I'm also take my money to bury my mother. John Dramani Mama cannot fear me, my father.
Na said na wo keka ebra interviews do na koso o ma me wuye ya te se bia wo ho no atimi ball win di utimi bokwa kuma enu din san ni nipa sumasi wo beboa me we so beboa me enti like ama do na ebusa say aden like who needs ka odi besie eye wo ma me ana say we mu nyina amboa wa
master if your mother is dead you can't stand only one to bury your mother. Nobody only one can stand to bury your mother. Okay. Yes, somebody go help you. Upon your money. Come on, if today Louis' mother is dead, somebody to give her money. Upon him money. Somebody go help him. Louis. Everybody in this nation, if your mother is dead, you are not only one to bury your mother. From where? If your mama mother is dead today, it's a former president, Nana Akufo-Addo to give her money. The white people will give Mama money. Well, nobody can stand only alone to bury his mother. They are my big men in the country. Well, they can help me to bury my mother. Me alone cannot bury my mother. You understand me? Yeah, me alone cannot bury my mother. I'm a super. Everybody know in this nation that I don't have money. If I have money, you know me. You know me very well. Bossy is not going well. Since a coronavirus at the step of our country, nothing will go happy. If I mention that somebody go help me, it is true. They can help me. They can help me to bury my mother. I'm a worldwide champion. Me too. The people they are there here. Me too. When I have money, I they solve people problem here. Yeah. Oh no. I come on. Akpangadu.
And your man in social media so wow young kwa no so oye boxer esa nua bema Ayite Powers ya te say what say o mame na se no ompese obesi no kura bi ewo musa
because he's drinking too much now. I'll buy the beer I go use for Powers obeto me apupu ni na o mi pese obeba because he's a drinking master for the nation. You are good bosser. I'll give you advice to stop drinking. Everywhere powers they go to Funwa, Ojemo, outdooring, anywhere. Powers wabubu sani na no or sa. He degrades for the bosses in the nation. So he degrades.
Not just who is saying so babe gunti na won peso besi.
See me pese powers but minum sa. Me shiwi. God has the whole year. Jamaica people are there inside. Ask them that I'm a Jamaica people. I'm not a Jamaica man. Oh no. Yes, Jamaica people there inside. Bisobi ami shiwi mi numusa. Mi numusa. Powers wa numusa do. It's too much. He degrades himself. Or just had to give an advice and he insulting me. Now me I'm an insulting master in the nation. What if he insult me to me, Jai?
What do you want to me?
Oh, Powers. Because of me, Powers make popular. Powers is not be superstar for the nation. Powers don't get blinded in the nation. I'm a four blinded. Powers, you see he do advert before.
No.
Because of me, Powers make popular. Powers no need you. On person me yanu sano need ya ababiem. What you mean do?
And so was here. Na yen nti yes say wo pe position bi ye mampanyi na na danko akufado emfa ema o position be na wo pray
ho so me nya MPP want to me catch na say one mommy in position
no need there like yate enu nti na me busa o
onu di omugua am NDC man can tell na akufado to give me a position they lying you know from
Mini no free.
Oh, they lying, madam.
Na yen shadio after say o boxing issue ya na say yen tell who say wo call boxing ye e dey bim na wo ye as in odi cater for yourself.
Oh, me I'm a musician, I'm a film matter. You know that me I'm a musician, I'm a film matter. I know the way I the two numpa. I'm a musician, I'm a good bosser in the nation. I'll try I'll go America to go and fight, but the time is not reached. Me, my manager there for London. But you know that I'm a tattoo holder for Britain. But coronavirus, they spoil the things. When my manager come down, by July, I'm going to America and Atlanta to go and fight. When I prepare that fight, when I bury my mother finish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Na yen share hunu ye na sentemo o skin color bebe sisa ye unse na say dey na o chen obi a o si free play mo enche ye. What motivated you to do such things?
Madam, you know myself. Everybody is in the popular. Yes, me I use my brain to do something.
It's popularity in the name of sir.
Yes.
Okay.
When my name is coming down, when something don't come to do it, just at the breathing myself to make a brony. No be able to say bonku fresh. Then my name is coming down. Again, you understand me? When the breathing and the breathing with my popular. You understand the bonku fresh? Yeah. Me, I know the way they breathe you. If you give me 1 month, may I say because I know the tools. Well, the market in there, it be small for me. If I don't, madam, if you want to make cocoa say I'll go to the market right now, Sla market right now to take the tools to come out to miss it. I'll make cocoa say
now or lifestyle. Oh, my Metia say no, you're okay with it.
Come again
with your lifestyle. No, when your mom was alive, no, was she okay with it? Say yeah, we ya wo wabo wasunya, you know, my Metia say now, you're okay with it. Now who say you're okay.
Oh, me mommy the time that me super me battle tea.
Say
bugo bango attending Nicola bugo bango yin but on me say ni bani wow it's long time 27 years. He's tired.
Na say na say intem ye hu na wo GH1 ye hu de ba ye no mu na ye hu say wo de free hon ma wo bleaching na yi no e ba ye na eno ye e ba ne say na wo free ye GH1.
Oh, GH1 there 4 months contract and my well, after I finish the GH1 contract and I'm breaching myself.
Na say na wo GH1 na nkofo pe wa say na nkofo etie wo with wo issues na wo de ba bonti nti ade nti na when renew wo contract and say na one more na na person mo be renew e the amount.
Well, I don't know in mind.
Okay.
But me social media I'm the number one. Everybody watch me in this country. I'm a third proper man in the nation. Do you understand me? Yes. Do you understand me? Yes. I'm the best proper man in the nation. What if it's somebody if you GH1, I'm so be fun. Yeah, you baby, or baby. Yes.
Say then na wo ye currently.
Oh, say me says what are the things that my mother is dying or just I the search money to bury my mother and my man make free.
The search money.
My mother is scattered.
This card I am pen over baby. I say there was a winner Juma and as a winner bibi na wodi enye sika ni. Because you dey search money. How are you searching the money from?
Money there. More money there. If you can be a millionaire, maybe your father is a rich man. When you die, you can be a rich man. Maybe somebody will go to work to gain money. Or every money be money, madam. If you every money be money. Yes. You say come on, woman, if a king die, they take another king. Yes, well, it be so. That's what they tell you that. If it says here, you are sitting here, your mother they die right now. Somebody will give you money. Somebody will help you. Yeah, the station
you will have sympathizers.
Yes, everywhere. If you are president or assemblyman or minister, everywhere, madam. If you say somebody, I work to the people in Ghana. I know the big mess in Ghana. Including Nana Akufo-Addo, when he tell him he can give me money. Some nation super. Let's leave politics at. I'm the nation super. Let Nana Akufo-Addo give my mother free bara. Free bara. What happy? Superstar like this in Ghana. Yeah, you politics in free. Then Kasa, I'm the third popular man in the nation. When Shatawale and Louis know they Ghana. Me are the control the nation. What are you telling me?
Yeah, it's me. Now, Bukom, within your time, your era, nowadays, your boxing, did you have anything like a project be now all year? Do you have any projects all year and as in a business are running under you are, although you don't go there and as I won't call on by yes, so they are working for you.
Me boss, I don't have money into the boss. I cannot get the I cannot do the project. Me I not get money.
Okay, now it's a boxing here into Yamo Kesibiana.
Bossing, but you see this network. It's not be dollars. Yeah, we not chop there. Yeah, only couple they pay. Only couple they pay. When they give me 2,000, when I give me 3,000 or 5,000, when I come here, the support also, the supporters go top. Okay. I'll give my mother, I'll give my father. Okay. I have 11 picking. I'll pay school fees. All this Ghana money no day. Me are the tired for the nation because of my 11 picking. Me are the watch them. Everybody go to school. You can ask my friend of here.
Na boko munim say a year boxing no na enshada into yamono. Why didn't you also think of doing other recreative work?
Film na pese me but me want share politics. O kuma say for omu frame me biem. Yeah, you understand? Yeah. First of all, they like me to. They know me good at her. Well, Louis they used to me. Ejako, Agrobetu. Everybody they used to me, but because of politics, yeah, kakra, one beautiful. Yes, it be so. But it is a game. Everything is coming to your way. It's a game.
Okay. Now, who said they will count a year won't say me. As in say a ban of politics say be or MPP way or NDC na enunti adwuma mu ye yini di sinchen. Wo sure sa era na trend na ekon e ye ne kwan so anu no.
I don't understand this talking.
Me say, o share say me wo MPP, e bia wo NDC. Na enunti no wo NDC nti me wo adwuma me say me mfa emma wo no. Sa yesu na wo moda na de ne e ya na.
Oh, Sadia talking the talk right now, it be so you control here. If you are MPP, if you are NDC, when I make a donor, MPP no go come. If you MPP, yes, it is not good. We are all for nation mess. Okay. Politics, they say you are your president here. No politics against. They say no politics in Ghana. Nana Akufo-Addo is a president. You understand? We are all NDC members. Our president be Nana Akufo-Addo. Well, let's give our politics. If he NDC man go. Or person here Juma move manu but say NDC compared to where NDC but na pamu we onu na say Ghana here
bukom unim say oman ya ye wo mu isika nim adwuma nso so nheda na oso na wo wari bebre na wo ma eye bebre eno abra nso so ni adwuma foforo bia wo ye no hu ni say wo say ni o mebi wo ha won so ana.
If you money no there for Ghana, how do you get the money to chop? And they ask you, because if your money not there for Ghana, how do you get the money to chop? Money there for Ghana. Money there for Ghana, but we not get eye to see. Okay. You understand? Okay. Money there for our country. If your money there for our Ghana, how do you get money to chop? Money there for Ghana. King Solomon in the Bible, or worry baby, or one baby. You also be worried about baby, and yes, maybe he will get the president inside. Maybe he will get the minister inside. Or if it's somebody at bomb print here, Man, don't worry.
Okay.
No.
Since see wama ye hunu say boxing edwuma bia enim no, would you advise your son, your and as a colleague of yours to say onkonko wura eye boxing one? Ube tu obi fo. Ube show obi nkwan say onkonko sua boxing ana.
Ti say me ba.
Ti say eye oba eye wunu e bi ba ana say wo fellow colleagues ana say nkofo metwa ho hia wo mantem ha say.
Are the bosses and the football and the fishermen. This is our work day for this community. Okay. Bossing, football, fishing is our work. Okay. The 3 vision we have in here. Okay. We don't have any vision. If somebody tell you that they have another vision in here, yeah, no be students. Okay. Yeah, we don't get a president student. We are bombocrat in here. Yes, we are bombocrat. If you are president, they no respect. Minister, they no respect. Super, they no respect. King, they no respect. They bombocrat all. This is our community. Well, this is our community. We are all bombocrat. They are bombocrat or super also bombocrat. When I'm talking to you, I'm not a student. I'm a bombocrat man. Okay. If you misbehave, I will misbehave. Because they put me in Gamashi. Yes. Yes. They put me in Gamashi. Oh, you're about to me a kabum. Who can make a? Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now say while my ya share a year or lifestyle kakra ya share a year mother side no. Say no anamuntu na moye de afa a year no date ben na washe wakwa busu fie ho. Wakwa kubusa wo mo. Oma ya oma so mo de emu ne be ma ma wo de aba enkran aba besie na na.
Se me catch from me di me mami be baha na me be nobody can say nothing. Well, how can I bury my mother? You can't control me with my mother. Okay. It's my mother who grew me. I'll start to bury my mother. Family member cannot bury my mother. Yes, if your mother they die, they call him Pikin to ask you. But once I call, I'm witness that my mother is dying. You cannot say what my family. Oh no, me see me the Beba Accra because they know my mother in Accra. They know me in Accra. She say me do Beba Accra. See ni papa fie. Ewo ukugwa ewo mesinu wo me kashi. Penny wo family member. I'll give that respect to him. You understand me? What ye person be sure on the 6th ye be call meeting back. Say you are now ye sure baby na ba ye she. But me myself I make. It's not I'll do it. I make myself that I'll bury my mother 16th and 17th July.
Okay, July 16th and 17th July. Yes, but it is not confirmed.
Yes, not confirmed. Okay. That is a flash one. Okay. Yes, but when I spent the money. Yeah, I spent the money. When that date will come on to bury my mother. Okay. Because when I sleep, I don't sleep. It is a intelligent. She said, "Miss Swabibi, me, my Pikin, he be my 60 years. My father is dying. I don't know nothing. Okay. But this is the time my mother is dying. Well, he's spending me. Yeah. Okay.
Bukum, yedi yankomo didi no eba newe ya enesa. Penifo a mo ehwe na onamfofo wo fans a wo mo ehwe de na betimi aka ede ache wo.
Oh, Gamashi people they like me too much because the way they like me, my name is Don't Lie. I'm a 20-year superstar. What are they do? They follow me. What are they talk they hear? Because Bombocrat talking, Bombocrat they hear. Yes, sensibility talking, sensibility must go here. Yes, you see, these people are Jamaica boys. They are all Bombocrat. Gamashi. Let me tell you, our king, our king, if you say you go fight our king, they'll remove his shirt to fight to you. We are Bombocrat. Or just as they tell them the way they love me to go in. Yeah, if you have done mistake, just call me to tell me, no insulting me, and I respect. Good day there. They love me.
What are you also telling them about your mom's funeral?
Oh, everybody will go with me. Dabi, yeah, I don't need the money. Okay. Jamaica people there, I don't need the money, but I need them to make jama for me. What do you I'll take them to go.
Thank you very much.
People like California. Rasta.
Okay, now ebusia for said yenya bema yem papa ye bukum banku edene nsem no aba betu edwa eno no na chese ebusia for aha ene de nkomo twetwe no ese eno ntin sa won subscribe to your channel na message so be like videos na share all the social media platform so Muniaba Equies Kapan and so minimum Eddie Eshe following our IG page and your Twitter page so at Tuma GH _ Facebook and so a Tuma GH and a Biomuso Twitter a Tuma GH _ that's an Yabasan Eddie Eshia Ebi Makramo.